Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha. Today is 7th of December and today's my Viva topic is a string constant spool. String constant string is the most important in a uh, Java, and there is a number of concepts related to the string, but the string constant pool it is one of them, and the string constant pool concept in a Java it is a bit tricky. The first we discuss about what is a string constant pool. The string constant pool is a nothing but is a stores are in a Java and are in a Java heap where the strings literal stores, and it is also known as a string constant pools and a string inter pool, and it just like a object collection, and the string constants pool by default it is a empty or and privately maintained by the Java string class, and whenever we create a string and the string object occupies the some space in a heap memory, and the JVM performs some steps during the initializations, and the string is a literals, but in string is a literals that is a increase the performance and decrease the memory loads, and when we create a string literals, the JVM firstly check the literal string in a pool. If the literal string it is already in a pool, then it is a return that is a return a reference to the pooled instance, and if the literal is does not present in a pool, then it is a create a new string object and take place in a string pool. Then creating string in a Java, there are two ways to creating string in a Java. The first one is by using a string literal and by using a new keyword. The first one is by using a string literal, like example string s is equal to in double quote Java semicolon, and the string 2 is equals to in double quotes data double quotes complete semicolon. And by using a new keyword in Java, by using a new keyword it is also used to make a string like a string s1 is equal to new string in bracket in double quotes Java and bracket complete semicolon. The next point is a Java string intent method, and the Java string intern method it is a string that is in the string pool or a refers to the another string object of that string pool having a same date having a same values, and determine the string by the using a object of that methods, and the string is the already exist in the string object, it is added to the pool, and the reference to this string object is a returns. And the for example to explain in a Java string inter, just like a two string is a s1 or s2, the s1 is a intern method is equals to string 2 interns method will be true if and only if statement is s1 is equals to in bracket s2, that will be true. The syntax of a string interns method is like a public string interns parenthesis, and the next one is the method return concave representations of the string object, and the string is the mutable in a Java, and all string objects are stored in the string pools, and the string constant pool it is allocate the Java heap, and string pool it is an implementations the strings and entering the concepts, the string entering in the method, then the steps only, then the stores only the copy, and each distinct string literals and the string distinct value are stored in the strings pools, and the string pools are the example of fly weights uh, design patterns. Yeah, this is the strings constant pool in Java. Thank you.